OER को कैसे आप इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे। आपने एक OER देखा, नई चीज़ देखी कि हाँ एक नए फॉर्मेट में हम स्कूल में एक ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट को लॉन्च कर सकते हैं, तो कैसे करेंगे हम। तो इसको आपने पढ़ा यूजिंग OER विद टीचर्स, तो आप इसको जस्ट रीड कर लिए तो इसमें आपको काफ़ी आइडिया मिलेगा। कंसिडरिंग योर ओन प्रोफेशन आपको पॉइंट्स मिल जाएंगे। ठीक, ये ठीक है। फिर जो मैंडेटरी है, जो डिग्री के, जो अपने सर्टिफिकेट के लिए है, वो यहाँ पर लिखा है, ये लाइट कलर से लिखा हुआ है। ये जैसे मान लो अभी मैंने खोला था यूजिंग OER विद टीचर्स, तो यहाँ पे ये वाला खोला था, तो इसका जो फर्स्ट पेज है डेवलपिंग वो आ रहा था। तो आप क्या करना, ऊपर ये जितने भी दिख रहे हैं, इस बार में जितने भी दिख रहे हैं, इसमें ये जो डार्क है इसको आप क्लिक करके देखना, इसमें रख के देखना, तो ये एक्टिविटी बताती है। तो ये एक्टिविटी आप इसको क्लिक करोगे तो ये एक्टिविटी ये खुली हुई है। अब आपका यहाँ पर एक फोटो आएगा, 3 टीचर्स बैठकर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इस OER, जैसे ये OER एक हार्ड कॉपी दिया और अपन लोग बैठ के डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। तो वो एक फ़ोटो, वो अभी डाउनलोड नहीं हुआ है, फोटो डाउनलोड नहीं हुआ, फोटो होगा, अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा। ये OER आपने देखा, ये 4th क्वेश्चन में आएगी। 4th क्वेश्चन में कंसिडर हाउ यू विल यूज द OER विद टीचर, थिंक अबाउट द फॉलोइंग। इन 5 पॉइंट्स पे आपको थिंक करना है। ओके, तो ये OER आपके पास है, आपने पेन ड्राइव में ले लिया, हार्ड कॉपी में ले लिया। अब इसको, इनके जो पॉइंट्स हैं, इन पॉइंट्स को हमको न्यू पोस्ट में न्यू पोस्ट में हमको क्या करना है, पोस्ट करना है।
स्टडी करी 5th असाइनमेंट में OER की जो टेक्स्ट स्टडी करी, जैसे मैंने प्रोजेक्ट मेथड पे काम किया। प्रोजेक्ट मेथड की स्टडी करने के बाद फिर उसके जो मुझे प्लस पॉइंट्स लगे, जो OER का जो बेस्ट लगा, वो उस पॉइंट को मैंने, क्योंकि मैंने और भी देखी, जैसे गेम वाला भी देखा वो भी, पर मैंने प्रोजेक्ट मेथड को ज़्यादा हो किया। फिर उसके प्लस पॉइंट्स कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए और उसमें क्या चीज़ों का हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए स्पेशली, वो उन पॉइंट्स को लेके फिर मैंने अपने वहाँ पे कमेंट किया। और फिर जो 2 लोगों का आया तो फिर उनका असिस्टेंट कुछ ऐसा, किस चीज़ पे ऐसा कुछ बोल दीजिए तो फिर मैं वैसे शुरू कर, या मैं डायरेक्ट बता दूँ,
बोल देते हैं, है ना। आज अपनी 5th कॉन्टैक्ट क्लास है, और 5th कॉन्टैक्ट क्लास में आप लोग तो शुरुआत से रेगुलर आ रहे हैं, रेगुलर as we are all doing the MOOC, Massive Open Online course, and that is very good course from TES India, UK, Open University, and now we are in the 5th contact class, and we are appreciating the structure of OER and everything, text, TD, teacher development OER, and all of my participants from the SIAC Jabalpur Center, all are appreciating and all are enjoying, really they are enjoying the pattern and pedagogy and participatory approach that which are given to the to us to learn something new in this era. And we are having very active members of the MOOC from Jabalpur Center. And first I want that Dr. Ragini Singh from Hawabag College, she is very active throughout the contact class and before the contact class also. And I heard that she is doing very well in her college also. So I want that you should give me feedback or any new idea about how you will implement these OER and in key points of the OER which you are getting from the TES India MOOC.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity, and really we appreciate your work here, because just because of your motivation we are doing this. As we have gone through 4 weeks of MOOC India, TES India, and after these 4 weeks we are now in 5th week, which is about the text of OER, use of text OERs. And text OER, if we talk about the text OER, it is also available both in PDF form and in Word. And if we want to use in Word, it is very useful for us, because
If we want to make some changes, we can make according to our need, according to our objectives. So this is really helpful for us.
Yes.
Because it is available in Word also. And if it won't be in Word, then we couldn't do anything changes. So it's very helpful for us. And now I really appreciate the use of OER because it is the basic things which tells about the pedagogy, which is the basic, we can say the base of any teaching. If we know how to
It
teach,
is the key point of NCF 05.
yes ma'am, yes,
Participatory approach,
yes ma'am.
yeah.
It is
And-
totally based on NCF
Yes, and
2005.
NCFT
Yes,
2009
Yes, 9
Yes,
also.
yes.
And if we go through these OERs and all, if we really study these OERs, then we can know the basic skills, we get the basic knowledge of these skills, and if we implement in our classroom, then we'll get the 100% achievement. And what the objectives that will be fulfilled. And one more thing I have seen, that is some case studies are given in the text OERs. This is really good. Actually, these case studies are based on the real experience of teachers, and that can be help for us and our students also. They can get how we can change any content, any topic. If we want to make some change, we can make, and we can implement according to our need. This is really good for us. So new innovations are necessary for teaching, because now if we are talking about child-centered education policy as according to NCF
Yes.
2005, we have to think some innovative teaching
Yes.
strategies. For that, OERs is best thing I can feel, and I really thanks for
Test India
to make
team.
me member of this,
Participator.
participant of this Test India MOOC. Thank you, ma'am.
How you will use these OERs in your classroom practices or in next year, because RDVV Jabalpur is having, all MP universities are having.
Yes.
In second semester there is pedagogy. Teaching.
Definitely, ma'am. We can use these OERs in pedagogy. These OERs will help us totally in pedagogy. Means if we use these OERs, there is no need to give any theoretical part to explain only theory in the class.
Yes,
There is no
yes.
need to explain those theories. Just we'll go through these pedagogies according to OERs, and that I think this 100% concepts will be
benefited.
cleared to students, and they can use these, they will be very familiar if they get familiar with these skills. They can implement these skills in the third semester when they go to practice teaching.
Yes, practice teaching.
Yes,
Because here is brainstorming,
Yes, ma'am.
mind
They
mapping,
will
pair
use
work,
these
group work.
pedagogies
Yes,
in the
these
class,
pedagogies
definitely.
in the
Yeah.
class, because these
I-
are the part which is the application part of the
I think
teaching methodology.
99% portion or maybe 100% portion can be covered with the
Yes.
use of these OERs.
Because I think you will be agree with me that if some students are thoroughly studied the OER, then they will be free to give their best part in the second semester of
Definitely.
BEd.
The planning
I
will be
think.
so easy for them.
Yes, yes.
There is no need
What
to
is-
make lesson plan, think
Yes,
what
yes.
we have to write, what
Yes.
we'll do. There's no need to think about that. Just they
Yes.
will go through it.
Yes, yes. So here teacher is also learning to insight from the students' attitude, as well as students are also not dependent, but they are depending on the facilitator of them. I think because here teacher
Definitely.
is totally facilitating how to learn a concept. I think.
Definitely,
Yes,
ma'am.
definitely. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
I'm Dr. Rita Arora from Hawabag College. I think most of it have been said by both of them, and I agree to it, and I'm really thankful to the MOOC India OER that matlab we are getting a broad spectrum of education. And what I feel, like what we used to have in ashrams, everything was practical, and the education was weaved with the lifestyle.
Yes, yes.
So now, we don't say, oh, we don't want those lousy lecture classes. It is being integrated with our lifestyle. So I think it will be very much useful to us as we move forward. And what this BEd curriculum has changed. So everything is becoming practical.
Yes.
So these OERs, they are going to help us in, I think, maximum way which we can teach our children. Our methods, they are getting innovation, and I think they'll be more useful to us with all of us.
I think you must be agree that we are in a very noble profession,
Yes.
and we are very proud to have
yeah,
these
yeah,
type of
definitely.
resources with us.
Correct.
So that we can be develop a effective teacher. What we can say, effective teaching and effective teachers.
Yes, and as
So-
it is in collaboration with UK, so naturally we are coming to that international
Yes,
platform,
platform.
also.
Yes.
So what is happening is we are gaining confidence in that world
Yes.
platform.
Yes. As we have took part in the discussion part because of
Yes.
our MOOC. So discussion, you can see that in discussion, all we are connected with the worldwide
Yes.
teacher
We can get
educators.
suggestion from all
Yes.
over the
From
world.
all over the world, we are getting the suggestion. We are looking forward to implement in
All
our
these, yes.
in our area
in our
also.
schools, in our institutions.
Yes, we are ready
which
to.
we were far behind.
Yes, because our thought process has changed.
Yes. And
What
now
we
we are
are-
feeling that this profession is getting nobler day by day.
Yes, day by
That
day,
is what
and we
we
are
are
giving a good quality teachers.
क्वालिटी और बोरिंग नहीं हो रहा है जैसे
हाँ,
ना
yes,
कि
right.
थ्योरी पढ़ के पूरा बोरिंग ऐसे
Yes,
लगता
yes.
था
हाँ.
थ्योरी आज के टाइम बच्चे भी नहीं
Practical
पढ़ना
knowledge
चाहते
is what is,
प्रैक्टिकल
हाँ,
चाहिए
wholesome.
और जितना बच्चे स्लाइड के थ्रू टेक्स्ट के थ्रू
Yes.
टेक्स्ट तो पढ़ना नहीं चाहते जितना वीडियोस के
हाँ,
थ्रू
yes,
पढ़ना
yes.
चाहते हैं ना
And we are moving towards the digitalization of education.
Of course,
So this is the very good platform to digitalize the education. And we are
बुक लेके
like-
पढ़ना नहीं चाहते मैडम बिल्कुल जैसे मेरा सन है इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा है वो पूरा उसने अपना उसमें डाल रखा है मतलब टैब में डाल रखा है पूरा वैसे एक टैब लेके ही घूमता रहता है पूरे टाइम और वो कितना वजन कौन उठाए
नहीं, though they
As
have
we
been-
have discussed that this is very important for the second semester of year.
Correct.
So we will now try to implement in our university RDVV, and we
It
will
will be
meet to
beneficial
VC,
for
and
us.
it will be
Yes.
beneficial to all the
All-
colleges
all
of
definitely, ma'am.
RDVV which is related with the
Definitely.
RDVV, and if they are agree with us, and I definitely have faith on our VC sir that definitely he will be agree to implement and to launch this with the RDVV.
Yes,
And so we will be in the we will move towards the MP for our
yes.
state, all the
Exactly,
universities,
exactly.
all the universities of our state, so that B.Ed course, that is a professional course.
It
So
is 2
it
years
should
now.
be-
They
it
made
be
it
done.
2 years.
So it will be a good
Outcome also
internship
will
and-
be good.
Yes, internship and outcome
The
should
standard
be.
which we
क्योंकि
expect from
बीएड
this
का मैम
course
स्टैंडर्ड
will be
इतना
from.
गिरा चुके हैं
हाँ.
मतलब ना पहले अब
We
ये
need to improve the standard now.
Yes, yes.
So we
Now we have so
That
many
quality
ways.
is coming.
Yeah.
I think, as I think sometimes ki what I can do tomorrow with my students. So you all must be thinking that what I could do tomorrow.
definitely.
Because we are now energetic and we are ready to go
Yes,
move forward with our
as the
students.
first semester is already finished, we have finished the course.
Nee,
But
we-
we want to go in the second semester and we want to
Yes.
implement this
We are
pedagogy.
very excited.
Yes.
Excited. And
I actually ma'am, we
wala na?
started thinking of some examples,
Yes.
Yes.
teaching them with examples.
We want to
And
use
day-to-day,
those
yeah,
examples.
Day-to-day examples.
Ah.
So that it gets, they'll also find it interesting.
Using local resources.
Local resources,
Like
yes.
so, every student will be alert to relate their concept with the local resources.
And even students also take interest in these activities.
Yes.
They want to implement new strategies, new
Yes,
techniques.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
They are
From
getting-
our students' experience also, we will
Learn
know,
something.
yes,
They will
learn
learn.
something, and we will share with our
yeah.
colleagues. And
उनके पास
Because
हम
they
और
have-
भी ज्यादा
हाँ,
एक्सपीरियंस
they
है
have
क्योंकि
lot
ना
of-
बीएड में इतनी डिफरेंट फील्ड से आते हैं नॉट ओनली कि मतलब यूजी करके आ रहे हैं कई बार एमबीए मतलब एमबीए करके आ रहे हैं बीटेक करके आ रहे हैं मतलब इतने लोग आ रहे हैं तो उनके पास ज्यादा आइडिया है कई बार
Those potentials with those students have ना, that will come out.
गर्ल जो स्टूडेंट
with
है
this.
वो कई
I
बार
have
सोचता है
seen
कि
lot
BEd
of
अपना कर लो ना।
confidence in the students. They are coming to the complete regular contact class, and they are coming,
yes.
and they are very active, and their
They are
reasoning
taking
skill,
interest.
their thought process, what I say, is changed, and they are very interested to learn something from the contact class, because here is the peer work is there, peer collaboration is there. We are discussing and we
Actually,
are
these
getting.
contact classes give us the way how to think, how to do, how to manage new things.
Yes.
Just because of these contact classes,
Yes,
we
yes.
have get the vision.
That
all-
vibration is coming, from this test India. The potentials are vibrating inside.
Apart from the busy schedule,
Busy
we
schedule,
all are
yes.
taking
But we
time
want
to
to come
discuss.
here.
Yes. Because healthy discussions are there and some
Definitely,
outcomes
ma'am.
are getting.
Definitely.
We are getting something new from the contact class.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks
And,
a lot,
Thanks a lot to Himani madam, who is always ready to send you all.
Definitely, ma'am. She supports us a lot.
Yes.
Me too, ma'am. We are very thankful to you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.